All right, so I want to at least just get this started. I have an employee who wants to use this here in like a week or two. So I just want to get it started. I just want to know that it can start. So we're going to try that. See what's going on. Fuel on, choke on. We'll boot throttle halfway. Oh, now. Come on, she wants to. I can tell. Fuel is on, right? Okay. Oh. Something's not working right. I don't think I need to check the spark. The last person who used it only used it for a couple days. So the filter, air filter looks good. Yeah. See if we just keep on cranking, I guess. It's on. Fuel's on. Choke is on. Throttle 3/4. Let's just check to make sure we don't have. Yeah, it's not engaged. So, where'd my towel go? I think the fuel is just so, I want to say, oh, look at the guy who used it last. He used the good fuel. Me, I'm a cheapo. I use a cheap fuel. He uses good fuel. So I don't know why this thing ain't cranking up. No. Oh, my side's starting to hurt. You know what? The spark plug here was not attached. I'll be buggered. Oh, yeah. minutes. Still spinning. Disengaged and she's still spinning. I don't know if that just means she's so balanced. There you go. Now she's dying. All right. There we go. Cranked on that thing for the longest time. I checked the spark plug before, but me being super hot that day, I didn't put the spark plug back in tight enough, the plug. So, all right. That's a project I thought was going to take a long time. Got done quickly. We're moving quickly, guys. We're moving quickly.